Be ready, start. The appellate authority has no jurisdiction to entertain such appeal if an amount equal to the amount of a gratuity is not deposited within the time stipulated under subsection 7 of section 7 of the Act stop stanza. The contention urged by Mr. Riley, learned senior counsel for the appellants, that in the present case limitation would start to run from the date of receipt of the certified copy also deserves to be rejected outright. Stop. In the present case, the text of the order of the controlling authority was served on the petitioners on 27/10/2006, and there was no reason whatsoever for the petitioners to wait till they got the certified copy for filing an appeal under subsection 7 of section 7 of the Act. Stop. Even if it is assumed that the period for obtaining certified copy needs to be excluded for reckoning the limitation as tried to be contended by Mr. Riley. Still, in my opinion, in the present case, only one day will have to be excluded. Stop. The certified copy was applied and received by the petitioners on 10/11/2006. Stop. The petitioner, however, had acknowledged about the order when he had received the order on 27/10/2006. Stop. I do not see any valid reason to exclude the period between 27/10/2006 and 9/11/2006 for the purpose of limitation. Stop. Moreover, the petitioners did not explain as to why they did not apply the certified copy immediately, or why they did not challenge the order of the controlling authority in appeal immediately on receipt of the order. Stop. Over. Dictation from the legal matter, 250 words at the speed 100 WPM. Important outlines are given at the end of the dictation.